On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Minitruck? I know, it's been a long time. I've been ignoring you. Been playing with the bikes. But I got a special mission if you choose to accept. People are having a bonfire and they need some cardboard. And we got a lot. Start it right up, girl. Hey, Dumpy. Oh, got a semi.
Flashback.
You're done good.
End of flashback.
36666. It's the devil. Running good, Minitruck. So I want to give a shout out to the Tokyo craftsman. He sent me an email saying if I sent the stickers off Dumpy and Mini, he'd try to see where they actually originated from, find their birthplace. And this is what he found. Hey, thanks for that information, Stu. Oh, handles like she's on rails. I told you we've been getting a lot of rain around here. What the fuck was that? He didn't even go in.
Yo, you gotta go in there.
How deep is it?
That was deep.
Is it gonna hit the air box? Like, is it deeper than that?
Yeah.
My air cleaner thing is like about that high.
I don't know. It's your choice. Yeah, go do it.
They need your Minitruck. Oh.
Got my knee out.
Good?
Oh my god, dude.
You get it?
Yeah.
You're getting good at that.
Yeah, I figured out the trick. I gotta literally just take it and...
No! God, please, no!
Looking pretty clear. Not
Yeah.
queer, clear. Lexi. Good girl, Minitruck. That was fun, huh, Minitruck? Yeah, I had some fun too. We're home, Minitruck. How am I supposed to park? Jeez, there's a lot of people here. Guess they got a party going on. Looks like you're sleeping outside tonight, Minnie.